No one knows his product as well as you do, and we need that expertise.
Alright, so I bought this test. So I bought this thing called a Monster. Let me lower that.
Is potentially the second most intelligent. She's the last of her kind. She must be
No, Henry ya llegó aquí a la casa y trajo gallina rostizada.
Traje de... Llevé la de... Dice la de fried y baked. Fried y baked. Nomás y una coca y 2 minerales. Es todo.
2 minerales.
Sí.
¿Qué hacemos? ¿Más poteiro?
Sí.
¿Habrá suficiente?
A ver, deje ver. Sí, sí, hay mucha papa con elote. Sí. Bueno, ok. Alright, so I bought this Monster. It says Monster Bluetooth 2-in-1 wireless audio adapter. Transmits audio to 2 Bluetooth headphone or speakers simultaneously. Got it at Walmart. So the reason I got this is got a new big screen TV and suddenly couldn't get it to work with an old Optimus stereo, and I didn't do this unboxing yesterday, but I got it at Best Buy. It was HDMI eARC to RCA converter. Didn't work, so I was like, then I was thinking, man, I'm gonna have to buy a sound bar. So and then I thought there's got to be a way, and I thought, well, this thing's got Bluetooth. So I said, I'm gonna have to. So I thought of this. Am I recording? Am I in this thing? Test. I do these things to practice with the camera and just make sure. So, yeah, you get a new TV and then your old stereo doesn't work. And it has a surround speakers in the ceiling. Got these old realistic speakers. I mean, they hit pretty good. It just the TV couldn't get it to connect. I was like, oh man. So comes with USB A to C. Looks like a optical cable. It's another thing. I was trying the HDMI. I tried optical. Got a old optical cable here. That wouldn't work. I was trying it all. So this is what this looks like. HDMI. No, what does it have? It has. I was checking it out online. No, it has. Looks like you can connect. It can either receive Bluetooth or transmit Bluetooth. So you can connect. Say I can connect my iPhone or laptop into this, and then transmit that audio signal to the stereo, right? And so, or I can connect the TV, and then there's a little headphone jack there, and then I got a splitter, and then from there to the stereo. So we're gonna try all different things, and all right, I'll cut it for now. Okay, so here it is, the little thing. I finally got it to work. I'm not sure how, but got it to work. So as you see, it says Smart TV Pro, and I didn't mess with anything else just because I got it to work and I said I'm done. So if you see these TVs have a, I don't know if you can tell, I mean, so forget it. Anyways, they don't have the old RCA type connections here, like this. Where am I? Oops, accidentally turned it off. So these are the old RCA, and the TV only has Bluetooth and I believe optical. Well, I shouldn't say only, but it has TV and optical outputs. I think I turned this off. No, it's on. There it is, Smart TV Pro. So, had to go into settings, and first you hook up your Bluetooth. All right, you accessories, you pair your device, and then you find your device connected. What is that, BT? I wonder what that is. Maybe my cell phone? Okay. Well, anyways, back to the monster. So we hooked that up. Then, we paired it. Then you have to go to output. And we select Bluetooth. Okay. That doesn't make a noise or anything, so you just go to Bluetooth, or you go back to your settings. Where is it? Configuration, right here. And you go to settings, display and sound, and output, and you select Bluetooth. All right, or same thing with this TCL. You hit that little button there. All this comes on at the bottom. You go to sound mode. Nope, not that one. Output, Bluetooth. So once you selected that, this is an old Optimus Radio Shack. And they got the old realistic Mach 2 speakers. Anyways, have this because it sounds really nice. You don't want to get you, could have just got a sound bar. So go back here. We'll select video here that I had.
Your detractors state that you invested in private.
See, there it goes.
I did invest 22 years ago. It was a wake-up call.
So what I did is, you have your little Bluetooth device here, which is receiving the audio from the TV, Bluetooth. Then we have our, from there, RCA cable. mess. So anyways, you have your RCA cable going in to the receiver, and that was it. Oops, accidentally hit the stop button. So we just take our little device, put it down here, there it is, tucked away. We have sound. Yeah, this thing is it's pretty old, but sounds really good with these old speakers. It must be like 30 years old. Got them at Radio Shack in the 1900s. Heard my niece say that 1900s, last century. So, then, if you don't want to go back to your the old TV, you could use the internal speakers. I use them as a front speaker. Everything comes this way, and then I had the surround with that, and then you got your ceiling speakers. But with this TV, it's either the Bluetooth or the internal speakers. So so if we turn this off, that's it. Then so then you would have to go back to your output and go back to internal speakers, and then you use your TV speakers. But that's it. Easy peasy.